This tutorial will show you how to make this cute floral print baby dress, which is loose fit, so it's perfect for summer. I didn't get to film how I drafted the pattern for this dress, but I will put a link to my previous baby dress tutorial where you will be able to see how I trace my pattern. I was asked by a viewer to upload my patterns, but firstly I don't have a blog where I can upload it, and secondly, although my daughter is 5 months now, she's quite long and slim, so I make her dresses slightly tailored to her body rather than the standard sizing. But if you can follow the way I trace my pattern, you will be able to make your dress according to your baby size or according to the standard sizing for baby clothes. Once you're done drafting your pattern, make sure the shoulders and side body sections match. So my design is one where the bodice is fitting, but the body of the dress is A-line style. I wanted it wide enough at the bottom to be able to put on the dress without having to use any buttons. So in order for me to do this, I changed the back to a V-shaped back. Place the pieces right sides together and sew along the shoulders. I'm going to overlock mine together. Once that's done, open it out and overlock the armholes. I'm also going to hem the armholes for any to finish. I'm going to take some slightly gathered frills which I will attach to the neckline. I'm going to sew it first to the inside of the dress and then flip it right side out before top stitching it down. If you don't have any frills like this, you can cut strips of fabric around 4 inches wide, sew a base stitch along the top and then gather the fabric to your preference before sewing it in place. To finish off the dress, I'm going to overlock the sides together and then I'm going to overlock and hem the bottom of the dress. Now you can decide whether you want to add a bow to the back of the dress. I decided to use another piece of fabric to make the bow. And here's the final look. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more DIYs and don't forget to click the bell button for notifications of my new videos.